Guys, it's Tech9. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I will show you on how to configure H8 Plus files on any network in Nigeria. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this video is helpful. So just follow the simple steps. Okay, so click the three dotted on your top right hand corner, then click on import/export. So the files have been already posted in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box, guys. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful to you. So click on import/export and then click on import, since I've already downloaded the files on my phone. Okay, so here, so for this tutorial we're going to try GLO, then also going to try MTN. Okay, so we're going to try GLO and MTN Nigeria. Okay, so let's try for GLO. Just click later. Okay, so as you can see, now let's click on start. So wait for connection to go through. So just close the ad, and then as you can see, the file has connected, guys. The file has connected. So for you to add some time, just click on add plus 4 hours. So you're going to watch an ad, like a video of 30 to 20 or 20 to 30 minutes, and then you add some time to your app. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Tech9.